참말로라 터스텔레슈이 엔 다른기 안조 cube and cube root ki part niwa de jangaira and daringi topic dikharla na and we are going to check whether given number is a perfect cube or not ra given number take the perfect cube re cube mane on the tayar anjo on the khandis tayar na and by using prime factorization method ra prime factorization method ding anjo and jin thupa ne jangor ra in kaza square and square root lab sambai labrengi ra chejang anjo on the jangai ra tari ta pencha shana dalar for example kisi number chikte hoy na is 98 a perfect cube lar is 98 a perfect cube lan thiwalir ra tang anjo 98 perfect cube re dere mi da taenda okay cheza anjo kharta la na prime factorization method ta so 98 nyam da taenda thambo ra 98 nyam da samba unit place la hare da 8 re da so with the help of 2 ra 2 4s are 8 ra and chapgel ha sadela and 2 9s are hazare 18 che ta 2 nyam do duire dreamara 3 nyam do dreamara prime factor 5 nyam do duire dreamara shargya khare directly with the number 7 so 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7 so sangamjo okay ta 98 ki prime factor dikha rela na 98 की prime factor ध्यान से लखा रहा ना 2 multiply 7 into 7 ला ता perfect cube रे दे रेमी देता तो बांगन सो खारा गोर ला ना किसी number 2 इना होन दिन थे सुम गोर रा पेनिशेशन number 7 जो इना number 7 दी triplet form ला गोर number 2 इना triplet form ला गोर ता दिला खारे number 2 दी थे चिक मश मिंदा दिला number 7 दी थे नी मश मिंदा चेसा triplet नी गाला छांगी दे छांगी मिंदा number 2 ला gone 2 changi min ni theni 2 multiple kor ra 7 la gone multiple of 7 kor chezam changi min chamba triplet form la cha se chamasa so anjo khala na therefore 98 is not a perfect cube because prime number two and 7 are not in kare threes group lane jugode ra or you can say triplet form la min do ler ra okay so 90 is not a perfect cube because prime number 2 and 7 are not in threes group or you can say that not a triplet so that's why a number 98 is not a perfect cube ler the perfect cube yogyo hanzo any example chik chenda dijul goju se samadi okay tang hanzo perfect cube yogyo chik check chenda number lo okay now we are going to take one more example the number which is a perfect cube right okay the perfect cube ki number de हमसे ठिवा चिक लेंगे is 1728 a perfect cube right on that perfect cube le de with the help of a prime factorization method right okay now again we are using a prime factor 1728 right okay ta hanzo khachel na prime factor number 2 nyam ra 2 8s are 16 ra 2 8s are 16 one left 2 6s are hazare 12 and 2 4s are 8 ra okay again with the number 2 2 4s are 8 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4 okay 2 2s are 4 ra 2 1s are 2 ra and one left 12 are 2 6 are 12 2 1s are 2 2 zeros are 0 and 1 li mara 2 table now so we multiply with the 0 and then 16 has a 2 8s are 16 ra 2 5s are 10 2 4s are 8 again with the number 2 2 2s are 4 2 sevens right. Okay, ta 7 di 2 table na leo mara chisang anso kare 27 di 3 tana diora next prime factor. So 3 nines are 27 ra 3 threes are 9 che 3 ones are 3. Tang anso prime factors che inda ra 1728 ki prime factor dikha rahe na 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. These are the prime factors of 1728. Ta tayar tang so triplet form la re dere mi de tayar. So perfect cube sanga la triplet form la gor. So number 2 1 2 3 3 times te triplet chasa 1 2 3 2 times ra. Okay 3 din so 3 times re de sanga 3 3 group 3's group na re de. So that's why we will say that therefore number 1728 is a perfect cube because here all the numbers are in threes group lane jigore, or you can say triplet nanglo redular triplets ki form la redular. Okay, so this is how you're going to find out the perfect cube with the help of a prime factorization. Now I'm going to give you some examples how you're going to find out the perfect cube with the help of a prime factorization. Tiwa shiran shi and so zero chira prime perfect cube rather I mean the prime factorization method pejtan. Okay. We are going to solve it. First of all, we are going to make a given number of perfect cube by multiplying the any say. We are going to find the least number to be multiplied to the 72 to make it a perfect square. Find the square root of the product. Square and square root lab samba ni on the samba lab me khajin nana cube root lab ko samso. Chizang anzo thangbo perfect square kesi perfect square mena and perfect square khande sewa me honde jangayanda thangbo perfect square la apply chain and tijula and ganso perfect cube la apply chain ra and find the square root of the product ra number khazutil 72 te re is number 72 a perfect cube perfect square re re mi deta ta number 72 la ta yanda ganso thangbo perfect square ta yanda lo topic chapter ta hanzo cube root the cube and cube root ga jangore ne hanzo perfect square ga ji ta and the case number the perfect square me na any multiply chine any perfect square khande se thuye me ra on chik ta and hanzo example chik. Okay ta hanzo 72 ta re number harta la na dunju de ni chi ta re ra. Okay ta 2 3 is a 6 chasa ra 2 6 is a 12 che 2 18 is a 36 ra. Okay 2 9s are 18 right 2 9s are 18 any 3 3s are 9 any khare 3 1s are 3 the perfect square ga ji shore da thanda hanzo the 72 ga ji prime factors dikhare la na 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 the perfect square la hanzo khar gorla na 2 2 ga ji pairing gora perfect square means 2 times right. So 2 ga ji pairing che 3 ga ji pairing. Okay the number 2 lhasa so number 2 dikhala na 2 dikhar rela na and 2 number 2 the smallest number chare so हमसे खा ना 2 is the 2 is the smallest number to be multiplied to get a any perfect square rahela to get a perfect square perfect square raya la ngan so kha chel na any number 2 di khare smallest number chare onde multiply chenda